You'll now see a demo of how this iTwin software will help you get more leads, more customers or clients, and more growth on Instagram and YouTube. Guaranteed, or you don't pay. As you might probably know, in order to get more leads, more customers or clients and growth on Instagram and YouTube, you need one thing. You need to be creating and posting content consistently and frequently, ideally every single day, if it comes to video reels and video shorts for Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. But what you might also know is that creating and posting fresh, original, new content every single day is hard. It's daunting, it's time consuming, it's complex, it's overwhelming, simply because you have to be constantly switching between ChatGPT or your favorite generative AI and then Google Docs and note-keeping app, and switching back and forth between your browser tabs and different apps, copying, pasting text between different apps, running and repeating long prompts in ChatGPT. All of this wastes a lot of precious time and mouse clicks and brain power. And this is exactly the problem that iTwin will help you solve. iTwin will save you tons of your precious time and mouse clicks and your brain power when you are ideating, planning, organizing, creating, scripting all your social media content, primarily your short form video reels for Instagram and video shorts for YouTube. As you will now see, iTwin is a very smart and efficient content planner with a built-in ChatGPT. So it's almost like if Google Sheets and ChatGPT had a baby. Okay, that's what iTwin is, as you will now see. Now, before I give you a demo, very important thing. All content that iTwin generates for you is trained on your information based on your business and your ideal customers. Very, very important, as I will show you here in just a bit. But let me give you a quick demo, okay? So first of all, as you can see here in the planner, every row here in this planner represents a unique video or content item. And then here columns are simply attributes from the idea, title, outline, script, caption, and a video file as well, okay? Now, here's how you can quickly create and script all your video reels and video shorts with lightning speed, okay? So you can just create new rows here. You can then easily delete rows. It's just like you would be editing in Google Sheets. And then you simply click this magic wand here. And what will happen now is iTwin will communicate with ChatGPT, prompt ChatGPT, send it a long prompt so that you don't have to do it manually. And iTwin will now propose and generate amazing magnetic customer getting content ideas for your video reels and YouTube shorts, as you can see here. So in this section, idea, you can simply then review ideas and select the one you want to keep and then delete everything else. Now, in this case, I'm doing this really fast. Obviously, when you're using iTwin, you want to at least read through all these ideas and see which one you want to keep and which one you want to delete. And then you simply clean and delete everything else. You will see, I will now script 3 ideas. This one is also good. 5 traits of successful e-learning entrepreneurs. Wonderful. So now we've confirmed 3 new ideas for video reels or YouTube shorts. From this point onward, we simply generate titles. From this point onwards, we simply generate outlines. Now, outlines are not yet the final word-to-word script. Outline is an executive summary, an overview of your video reel or video short following the structure hook, body, and call to action. So if you see here, you will see that every outline has a hook, it has a body, and at the end, it has a call to action that you can easily edit however you want here. So this essentially is also a text editor. You can edit this outline however you want. You can change this from 3 traits or 5 traits. It's basically a Google Doc built into this interface. You can also edit your default CTA in my info in your settings, which I'll show you in just a bit. And by the way, you can use this outline as a teleprompter. If you're the one in front of the camera filming your video reels, you can use this as a visual aid to help you and assist you during your filming time when you're shooting or filming your videos, or if you're using your phone to film your videos. Then from this place onward, you simply generate a script. Scripts are beautiful and amazing if you are using AI generated videos. For example, if you are using your AI avatars with HeyGen or Synthesia, or if you're using a script to voice or script to sound or script to video generator that needs an actual word by word script, iTwin will generate you the exact final script, as you can see here, with the hook, body, and also, as you can see here, call to action at the end. And from this place onward, you simply generate captions. Captions, as you know, on Instagram and YouTube is a text companion that's typically published below the video, and text captions help primarily for your videos to get found and discovered in search, in news feeds, in discover tabs are very important, as you can see here. Captions are also beautifully formatted, always starting with emoji to get some color contrast and get attention. Again, hook, body, and then at the end, call to action, and also hashtags. And as again, you can always easily edit this, right? And from this place onward, you can then generate on your own, however you want, different types of videos. You can be you in front of the camera. This is one beautiful use case of how you can use iTwin to speed up the content creation process, just speed up radically the scripting part and planning part of creating content. You can use it if you're using your AI avatar. You can see here, this is my AI avatar. That's actually not me, by the way. I generated this video with HeyGen. Or you can use to generate video reels using stock footage or your footage with static text overlay and some stock background music. Or you can grab a stock animation in Canva, drop it in, put the text overlay here, and then very fast generate customer getting, client getting videos, okay? Now, as I mentioned here, iTwin is powered by ChatGPT, and in the background, iTwin is running a bunch of AI prompts so that you don't have to switch back and forth between different apps, okay? And all these prompts are generated by a core piece, very important piece of information that here in iTwin we call My Information. In this section, you actually tell iTwin and ChatGPT, for that matter, a little bit more about yourself, who you are, who do you serve, what problems do you solve, and what benefits or results you help your customers get, and also what tools you use. So you can also define here, for example, language. In case you want to create your content in any other language than English, you simply type in Spanish if you would want to create content in Spanish. Then default call to action for all your content. You can change this at any time. Who I am professionally, for example, I am a growth marketing expert, AI-powered content strategist. Who are your ideal customers? Very important. As you know, any generative AI needs to know all this information in order to generate for you amazing ideas for your content, outlines and scripts and captions. Very important. Very important also what problems you help your ideal customers overcome or solve. Also, what results you help your ideal customers get. And also important, what tools, methods, strategies, techniques, modalities you use to help your customers overcome their problems and get the results that you want. And all this information is used to generate all your content ideas. And to make your life easier, when you join iTwin, when you actually touch iTwin software for the first time, you will simply provide a short one-liner description of yourself, such as, I am an online fitness coach. I help busy professionals get in their best ever shape. And then iTwin, we will generate this for you on the fly so that you don't have to, again, spend too much time actually generating this. The only thing that you will have to do is simply review this My Info that we will generate for you and then edit it if needed. Okay, so that's one piece of information. The other piece of information, as I mentioned, iTwin already has a lot of built-in prompts that are run in the background so that you don't have to be copying, pasting, constantly repeating the same prompts. And you can see all these prompts that we use to generate ideas, write video outlines, write video scripts, write post captions. You can see them here, how they are designed smartly and efficiently. And also iTwin, this is also a superpower. One of the superpowers of iTwin comes with built-in video recipes, 30 plus proven templates, if you will, for magnetic video reels and YouTube shorts that are proven to reach and attract and engage your ideal customers. And you can always see these ideas here. You can see all of them with examples. And every time we run a prompt, every time you run a prompt inside iTwin here, iTwin is communicating this to ChatGPT and quite literally saying, okay, here's all the information about my ideal customers and what problems I solve them. Generate ideas based on these recipes. And here are the examples of these recipes. Again, you can simply go here, click, and iTwin will generate ideas for you. Now here's another superpower of iTwin. Okay, there's more. You can just click this magic wand here and iTwin, as you see here, will generate ideas for you based on the information you have in your settings and the prompts that are in there. But you can actually come in and provide to iTwin what we call a seed keyword or a seed phrase. For example, I could simply write here, get more comments on Instagram. For example, you can give it in, let's say Instagram. You can simply give it a seed keyword and then you click this magic wand and then iTwin will now generate amazing ideas based on those proven short form video recipes that revolve around this seed keyword, as you will see here. So you see, I provided a seed keyword, how to get more comments on Instagram, let's say. And here are ideas, how to triple your engagement per Instagram post with simple changes. Every course creator makes this rookie mistake, and you can put here, not getting more comments. Must-have skill you need to attract clients right now, get people to comment, right? This strategy will get you more comments on your posts. What every e-learning entrepreneur can learn from successful influencers. And here, like, get more people to comment, and here's how we do it. 3 mistakes I made as a new business owner you should avoid. 3 easiest Instagram growth hacks for coaches. 6 tips to boost your lead generation using social media. 5 traits of highly engaged audiences you should embrace. I'll probably put this one, every course creator, let's say, or we could say this will get you, let's say. Okay, I'll grab this one. And then again, from this point onward, I generate the title. I will here generate the title, and then I can generate all other things. Now, another power feature is that you can track the status of each content item, so that after the number of content items grows, you want to perhaps organize your content, and you can assign a status. As you can see here, every content starts with an in draft mode, and then you can, let me just delete this. And then you can change it to it's been scripted, it's been then filmed, it's been produced, so that you can know at what stage each content piece is. And then finally, you can also mark it as published. And that's why you can then track how much content you've published, you've produced. Again, organize and plan your content better, wiser, just like if you had this inside Google Sheets or Excel spreadsheets. And then here you can also have a date published, so that you can also track and plan when do you intend to publish your content. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. I cannot wait for you to experience the power of iTwin And the best part is that you can try it absolutely for free. Just click below here this video, or if you're watching this somewhere on YouTube or Instagram, just click the link and you can try iTwin absolutely for free and see the magic how it works, and you will absolutely love it. So can't wait to see you inside iTwin software. Click below and try it absolutely for free.